Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to set multiple take profit level on Bybit. So in order to set up take multiple profit level on Bybit, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you go ahead and log in into your Bybit application. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. And from the home page, you have to go ahead and navigate to Deviants. From the home page, you have to go and navigate to derivatives. So for that, you could go ahead and press the more button from the home page itself, or you could just use the search bar tool and type in so you should be able to find derivatives right on this page. However, if you're unable to locate it, you could also go to your profile, and from there you could go ahead and locate the following. Next, when you've actually opened it up, then you need to open a new position by selecting the appropriate trading pair. You just have to go ahead and enter the quantity and the leverage you want to use. Go ahead and press the buy long or sell short to open your position. Now you need to select the first take profit level, that is, go to conditional, tab next to the order and select the take profit as an order type. Enter the first take profit price level and level in the triggered price field. Then you have to enter the quantity you want to sell at this level and choose the limit or market for the order execution type and place the order. After you've done that, you could set additional take profit level, confirm your order and monitor your position. So that is how you can set multiple take profit level on Bybit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.